Hi guys, welcome back to Rafthelsavlogs. I would like to show you another product review. So I have here a new product. This is made from Switzerland. This is perfume. Look at this. Perfume and a shower gel perfume. So if you are going to make a shower, use this one. And this is scented or with perfume type of shower gel. Then after shower, when you come out from the bathroom, you will be smell very good smell, and no need to apply a perfume because this is already a very good smell, and you have also a perfume. So this one, the name is customer two-part. Look at this. So this is a product of Geneva, Switzerland. This is available in any cosmetic shops, and you can find this in the duty free. So this one, the name is customer two-part, and inside is a perfume and a shower gel, a perfume shower gel. So I will show you what is inside of the box. Okay, let's unbox. Here, so this is it. You will see. We'll open, unbox, guys. So we will remove. So this is the perfume inside. Look. Hindi muna natin buksan. So this is inside it. It looks like this. Okay. In this box, this is the perfume and the shower gel. So this is the shower gel, perfume shower gel. So this one. Okay. So this is it. These two, the shower gel, and this is the perfume. So this is both the same smell. If you are going to wear this one, just spray it, very small drops like this. Do not put in your dress because it will stain. Just a little bit, and apply it here and the backside of your ears, like here or here and here. And this one, this is the shower gel. Very good smell. So when you come out from the bathroom, you smell very fresh and very good smell. So try this one. This is a product of Switzerland. You can find this one anywhere international in the cosmetics shop, okay, or you can find in any duty-free shop. So this is the box, and this is inside the box. This is the perfume. This is the shower gel. Look, this is it, and this is the perfume. Okay, I will open the perfume next time, guys. So look at the gel. So in my next vlog, I will open this one and I will show you the product or the bottle of the perfume, and this is it. Okay, so for more information, look at this fragrance. Look, fragrance set. It's EUD perfume and perfume shower gel. So look, so this is a perfume shower gel, very good smell, and this one is the perfume. It's the perfume itself. It is this one. Okay, and it is inside the box like this. So we will read more info. Look at this. This is from Geneva, Switzerland. Okay, a product made from Geneva, Switzerland. So Tatak, Switzerland. So the product of Switzerland is a little bit more expensive, but it is a good quality. Okay, try to purchase one of the best product of Switzerland, and you can see the difference between the product from one country to the other. Okay, so this is it. This is the perfume. This one, and this is the perfume shower gel. All you have to do when you take a shower, just a little bit drop here and rub into your skin, to your body, and shower it. Very good smell. So I hope guys you will try this product from Chupard, Cashmere Chupard. This is it. This is the name. Look at this fragrance set, shower perfumes, shower gel, and perfume. So this is my product review for today, and I hope you like this. So just give a thumbs up, leave a comment, share this video, and if you're new to Rafthelsavlogs, please do subscribe. And if you want to help support my channel to grow, just click the super thanks down below, and your support is highly appreciated. So guys, ito na yung so if you dream to have the best quality of shower gel, which is of perfume shower gel, try this product, and you can check it from their website, from the internet. Chupard, Cashmere Chupard. Okay, look at this fragrance set, a product of, so this is the product inside, and this is it. Look, kaya lan. So they have more products, and you can check their website, this brand name. Okay, so this is good for gift, for Christmas gift, for birthday gift, is for your someone very special. So try this. That is why I make a review this one, because I want to try this. Just now I opened this box. Okay, unboxing this product, and I will show you next vlog. I will open this and I will try this one, and I will tell you how it how's the smell. Okay, on just now, right now I just unbox and I show you the product for this, and this is it. Again, this is the perfume. This is the perfume shower gel, and I have it now. And next time I'm going to try this one and will show you if how good is the smell and also the perfume. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next vlog. Merry Christmas and a blessed, healthy, happy, prosperous New Year to everyone, and to all of you guys, my viewers and subscribers for Rafthelsavlogs. From the bottom of my heart, Merry Christmas and stay connected, and God bless everyone. Ciao, bye bye.